And we start with news on the track as horse racing is set to resume tomorrow at Caymanas Park. And the promoting company, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited SVREL, is assuring stakeholders of its commitment to make racing a successful sporting entity in Jamaica. Denise Walters has our racing preview.
Solomon Sharp, chairman of SVREL, is promising stakeholders that horse racing will grow to be a fantastic sport on the island with the support of the promoters along with parent company Supreme Ventures Limited. Sharp, who is an owner, trainer and breeder, in a recent interview with TVJ Sports, says himself along with his team have plans in the pipeline to make the racing industry very successful.
Sometimes there's a little bit of fight with the industry saying that we are not a part of the industry and all that kind of thing. We're very much a part of the industry. We're the pivotal point in the industry. And, we are committed to making racing work and, bringing the rest of the industry along for the ride.
Racing was indefinitely suspended on March 21 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and Sharp says, in line with Ministry of Health protocols, several changes had to be made at Caymanas Park to accommodate a new normal. He's also lauding the Portmore municipality for stepping in to help.
They've come in, they've said that you're doing this right, you're not doing this so right. We had to close down some shops on the back stretch and all of these kind of things. And with us, we learned a lot during the last 2.5 months and made a lot of tweaks along the way.
Two-time former champion jockey Shane Ellis, who is also the president of the Jockeys Guild, told TVJ Sports that the measures currently in place at the track are working.
We love what is going on over here because in the whole of Portmore, the track is a big track and, with so much people over here and we still haven't have a case over the track. So you have to look saying we're doing good.
Meanwhile, Sharp had praises for General Manager Lorna Gooden, who conducted several sessions with stakeholders, including jockeys, trainers and grooms, as it relates to COVID-19 health protocols for race days.
We have done well. We have had a very stringent set of protocols on our own, on the backstretch that we employed. Knock on wood, so far all the horsemen are safe and sound. And that's the most important thing for us.
Now, in the meantime, Mr. Universe is the 8-5 anti-post favourite to land the non-restricted overnight allowance contest to be run in Lua for feature or trophy race for 3-year-olds and up. 14 horses are set to face the starter going over 5.5 furlongs at 5:35 p.m. Post time for the 11 race card is 12:15 p.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
And live racing coverage will be on Power 106 FM.